Hey y'all, thanks for coming back and tuning in to the channel. We're in the middle of a John Prine tribute. Here's another one called Speed of the Sound of Loneliness. You come home late and you come home early. You come on big when you're feeling small. You come home straight and you come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. So what in the world has come over you? And what in heaven's name have you done? You're breaking the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Now I've got a heart that burns with a fever, and I got a worried and a jealous mind. And how could a love you say would last forever? You left somewhere so far behind. So what in the world has come over you? And what in heaven's name have you done? You're breaking the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. There's many a mean and a dreadful sorrow that's crossed the evil light of day. How the hell can you ask me about tomorrow when you ain't got one word to say? So what in the world has come over you? Well, what in heaven's name have you done? You're breaking the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. Thank y'all for tuning in. My name is Brasher. We'll see you next time.